Hey, it's John Mcbride with RMUS doing another RMUS Tech Connect video. Basically, we use these videos to tell a little bit about some of the technology and some of the stuff out there that we're using today. Well, everybody knows that we got the van. I was going to work on getting an HD transmission or some way to get, when a pilot is out there flying and using the drone, getting a screen put in here and transmitting that back to a command center. Whether or not you can do this with most of the DJI products, you can HDMI out and transmit it. So that's basically what we got here. We've got a receiver and ground station using this HD system, and then they also make a long-range patch antenna that also has an HDMI out that we can connect here. We can then put those on the vans, we can connect them wherever we want. We can even have these hardlined into a mobile command center as we're going to set this up. But let's go out here and take a, talk to our pilot real quick. And see, since Adam here has been using this system for quite a while, what are the good things, bad things, and some of the stuff we've got going on?
The good thing is it's really easy to use. If you look on the back of the controller, you have a primary battery, an HDMI to micro HDMI, a power connection to the battery, the transmitter itself, and then you have a spare battery if I had to swap in the middle of the mission so I don't have to stop flying. Somebody else can just come and unplug the battery and switch it.
Easy.
Really simple. Gives you about 4 hours per battery. The same thing on the controllers. You get about 4 hours per ground station receiver antenna battery. The unique differences about the system, it doesn't seem to have any interference, and it has absolutely zero lag compared to any other systems that I've used that have been out there. As you know, there's lots of different lag times and stuff. This has absolutely no lag whatsoever.
So probably the one thing about that, the way it's designed, you can see the multiple antennas on the ground station that we were looking at, as well as the patch antenna splitting the bandwidth in an HD, because this is broadcasting in 1080, is that correct?
1080 at 60 frames a second, and the LR receiver is directional, and then the receiver you have mounted in the van is omnidirectional.
Okay, so if I have this on my van, how far away can you be?
I can be up to 10,000 feet with the LR antenna, and with the Fusion antenna, I can do 3,300 feet. The one benefit over the Fusion antenna over the LR antenna is simply that it's omnidirectional, meaning the pilot doesn't necessarily have to face the LR antenna, but with the LR, it is
very directional.
It is
very directional. So increasing that range, and it kind of a line of sight thing as well, making sure that we don't have too many things in the way.
Yep, and I'm glad you brought that up, John. One of the benefits of the long-range antenna is that if you do have some tree cover or some other things in the way, the LR antenna will penetrate that without any difficulty, where you may have a little bit more difficulty with the mid-range Fusion antenna.
Cool. All right, fantastic. Well, this is again just another way to show some of the products that are out there. We'll likely be carrying this as a product from RMUS, and a way to outfit, do HD transmission. Pretty simple setup. I mean, really simple thing. So thanks guys for joining us. Thanks, Adam.
Thanks, John.